Welcome to our video on the top 5 best 4K action cameras of 2025. 4K action cameras capture ultra-clear, high-resolution videos perfect for sports, travel, and adventures. Look for features like image stabilization, waterproof design, wide-angle lens, and long battery life. Popular brands include GoPro, DJI, and AKASO. Choose based on your budget, video quality needs, and durability for the best performance outdoors. So let's get started. Number 5. Insta, the ultimate 8K 360 degrees waterproof action camera. For creators who want next-level immersion, the Insta 360X5 redefines action cameras with 8K 30fps 360 degrees recording, AI-powered low-light performance, and game-changing stabilization. Whether you're filming extreme sports or everyday moments, this waterproof camera captures everything in stunning 360 degrees detail. Key features: 8K 30fps 360 degrees video with dual 1.28 sensors. Dual high-performance sensors deliver ultra-sharp 8K 360 degrees footage with better color, clarity, and dynamic range, perfect for cinematic adventures. AAA chip for superior low-light shooting. Shoot confidently at night or in dim lighting. The AAA chip enhances noise reduction and image processing for brighter, clearer footage in any condition. Invisible selfie stick effect. Create floating third-person shots with no visible selfie stick. Capture in 360 degrees and reframe later using AI-assisted editing for the perfect angle. Sticks sold separately. InstaFrame mode for instant flat videos. Get social-ready clips in seconds with auto-tracking or fixed-angle framing. Later, revisit the full 360 degrees footage to add unexpected highlights. Flow state stabilization plus 360 degrees horizon lock. No gimbal needed. Flow state stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free footage, while 360 degrees horizon lock keeps every shot level, even during flips and spins. The Insta 360 X5 is a revolutionary 360 degrees action camera that combines 8K resolution, AI-powered imaging, and invisible selfie magic for unmatched creative freedom. Whether underwater at night or mid-action, it captures every angle in cinematic quality. Your most epic perspectives start here. The next is Number 4. Apexcam 4K Action Camera, Ultimate Sports and Vlogging Companion. Capture every adventure in stunning detail with the Apexcam Action Camera. Whether you're vlogging, biking, or diving, this feature-packed sports camera delivers Ultra HD 4K, 60fps video, 48MP photos, and an included 64GB microSD card, making it perfect for action enthusiasts and content creators. Key features: 4K, 60fps and 48MP high-resolution recording. Equipped with 6-layer optical glass lenses, the Apexcam captures crisp 4K, 60fps videos and 48MP photos, ensuring lifelike clarity and smooth motion. 8x digital zoom and 64GB microSD card included. Get closer to the action with 8x digital zoom, perfect for capturing distant landscapes. The included 64GB microSD card ensures ample storage for all your adventures. Wi-Fi and 2.4G remote control 15 meters range. Connect via the Live DV app for instant preview and control. The 2.4G remote 15 meters range allows hands-free operation, ideal for solo shooters. Note: remote is not waterproof. Driving mode and pre-record function. Use as a motorbike or dash cam with auto record on power on and 5-second pre-record to never miss a moment. 170 degrees wide angle and multifunction modes. The 170 degrees ultra-wide lens with distortion correction captures expansive scenes. Features time-lapse, loop recording, burst photos, and slow motion for creative flexibility. This 4K action camera is a versatile, high-performance camera for sports, vlogging, and outdoor adventures. With 4K, 60fps, 8x zoom, Wi-Fi control, and multiple shooting modes, it's a budget-friendly powerhouse for capturing life's most thrilling moments. The next is Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 3 Outdoor Combo Ultimate 4K 120 FPS Adventure Camera. For adrenaline junkies and outdoor enthusiasts, the DJI Osmo Action 3 Outdoor Combo is a powerhouse 4K 120 FPS action camera built to capture stunning, ultra-smooth footage in any environment. With HDR video, extreme durability, and long battery life, it's the perfect companion for extreme sports, underwater adventures, and hands-free filming. Key features: 4K HDR video with 1 billion colors. Experience vivid, true-to-life footage with 10-bit color depth, capturing over 1 billion colors. HDR ensures balanced exposure, even in high-contrast lighting, for professional-grade results. Horizon Steady Stabilization. Whether skiing, biking, or skydiving, Horizon Steady keeps footage smooth and perfectly level, eliminating shakes and tilts for cinematic quality videos. Extreme battery life and cold resistance. Record up to 160 minutes on a single charge, even 150 minutes in freezing temps -20 degrees Celsius / -4 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for winter sports and long expeditions. Waterproof to 16 meters, no housing needed. Dive deep without extra gear. Waterproof up to 16 meters, 52 feet. Perfect for snorkeling, surfing, and underwater exploration. Outdoor Combo includes essential accessories. Comes with 2 batteries, a chest strap mount, backpack strap mount, and quick release mounts for hands-free POV shots while hiking, cycling, or climbing. Quick vertical mounting. Switch between horizontal and vertical shooting in seconds with the innovative magnetic mount, ideal for social media content. The DJI Osmo Action 3 Outdoor Combo is a rugged, high-performance action camera with 4K 120 FPS, Horizon Steady Stabilization, and unbeatable battery life. Whether you're diving, skiing, or biking, it delivers smooth, vibrant footage in the toughest conditions. Adventure-ready and built to endure, capture every epic moment with DJI. The next is Number 2. GoPro Hero Compact Waterproof 4K Action Camera for Adventure. The GoPro Hero is the smallest and lightest 4K action camera from GoPro, designed for hassle-free recording while delivering ultra-smooth, high-quality footage. Whether you're diving, biking, or capturing everyday moments, this compact yet powerful camera ensures stunning visuals with minimal effort. Key features: ultra-compact and waterproof design. Tiny yet rugged, the GoPro Hero is waterproof up to 16 feet 5 meters without a housing, making it perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and rainy adventures. Its super lightweight build ensures easy portability. 4K Ultra HD video and stunning photos. Shoot crisp 4K videos, immersive photos, and slow-motion clips with just a press of the shutter button. The 15mm lens and f/2.8 aperture capture wide-angle shots with excellent clarity. Hypersmooth stabilization. No shaky footage here. Hypersmooth technology automatically smooths out bumps and vibrations, delivering cinematic quality videos without a gimbal. Easy controls and cloud upload. With streamlined one-touch recording, capturing adventures is effortless. Plug in to charge, and your footage auto-uploads to the cloud, where the GoPro Quick app turns it into shareable highlight reels. MicroSD and USB connectivity supports microSD cards for expandable storage and features USB connectivity for quick transfers. The GoPro Hero is the perfect compact, waterproof action camera for adventurers who want 4K video, hypersmooth stabilization, and effortless sharing, all in a tiny, durable package. Capture, share, and relive your best moments with GoPro. The next is Number 1. AKASO Brave 8 Lite, the ultimate waterproof action camera for 4K adventures. The AKASO Brave 8 Lite is a powerful waterproof action camera that delivers 4K 60 FPS Ultra HD video, making it perfect for adventurers and content creators. Packed with advanced features, this camera ensures stunning visuals, smooth stabilization, and rugged durability. Key features: 4K 60 FPS UHD video, Powered by the Amberella chip and a 7G lens, the Brave 8 Lite captures ultra-crisp 4K 60fps videos and 20MP photos. With HDR recording, it enhances highlights and shadows for more natural, vibrant footage. Latest super smooth stabilization. The 2-in-1 stabilization combines built-in anti-shake hardware with an auto-smoothing algorithm from the mobile app, ensuring buttery-smooth videos. The upgraded hyperlapse feature allows for stunning time-lapse shots without needing a stabilizer. Waterproof to 33 ft10m without a case. Built with aluminum alloy and PC plastic, this camera is rugged and waterproof up to 33 ft10m. With the included waterproof housing, it can dive up to 131 ft40m, perfect for snorkeling and deep-sea adventures. Dual screen for easy self-recording. The 2.0-inch rear touchscreen and wristband remote control makes self-recording and vlogging effortless. Whether you're biking, surfing, or hiking, framing the perfect shot is quick and easy. The AKASO Brave 8 Lite is an excellent choice for adventurers who demand high-quality 4K video, superior stabilization, and waterproof durability, all at an affordable price. Capture every moment in stunning detail with this feature-packed action camera. So this is the best option for you to buy.